Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking dreams together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the case. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter. Hello, good morning, products. Welcome back to my bakery, products. Welcome back to my bakery. Welcome back to the bakery. Welcome back. So, I woke up at 3 in the morning and I edited another episode for my course, VTube online course for the character consistency for VTubers. And I've been working a little bit on the game. So, we need to implement the collection system. We're trying to implement the collection system. And Jordan, Modra, let's go directly with Modra, Jordan. I mean, if you want Modra, I mean, here you are. Welcome back, Jordan. More Modra for you, right? I mean, why not? I mean, who doesn't love Modra, right? Very lovely cosplay. So, here you are. Some Modra for you, right? I mean, why not? So, and welcome to my. Oops, wrong button. I keep pressing the wrong button recently a lot. So, let me have something going on with game development, so we can chat while Chappy do something. Okay.
So in the repository there should be a document that is about a checklist of stuff to implement before slice B3 is ready. And we need to start working on this stuff. So can you take the first block of things and then we go until everything is ready. So yeah. I really want to finish the collection thing, because if we can implement that, then we can probably start working on the talent tree content for the music. The music tree, and that's going to be. Can you do a tree with the same name, please, Luna? Because you are sad about him dying today. Okay, I guess we can do one later. We will do one when I have enough thing going on that I have time to retreat it. So, because I want to get something running, and then when these things run from their own when then I think I can free some time, because we will still be waiting. So you just have to wait that till I get my hands free. Because I need to get a lot of stuff going on before I can get free time for making a song. Yay. And so okay, so these things is checking the check. How is the situation here? Oh, well, that's nice. That's actually nice. These things here. A little bit classic. Oh, that's also very nice. I sort of also like these things. It's very mysterious thing, but. Oh, a jukebox with collection. I think the jukebox collection is fucking nice. It's very fucking nice. Like, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Which one? I think the jukebox is fucking nice. Probably. We should implement the jukebox here. Seems very nice. Other thing that been a setup and I'm really excited and pumped about upcoming movies. By the way, I do not understand why you say the word upset. So a person died, right? And you like it. Shouldn't the correct word be said? Why do you use upset? I I do not understand why you use the word upset. Probably upset best define your feeling, but shouldn't you be sad rather than upset? Upset of what? That you can't listen to more of his music because he is dead? It's in this case, people say sad. They don't say upset. Unless you are upset for a different reason. Because, I am upset because this person died. Seems like I am upset because I can't listen to the new song he was about to make. But in that case, human beings usually say, I don't know. I liked using it and because I was shocked when I found that he died and he was an actor. Okay, so he's an actor. Yeah, but don't get me wrong then. You can are free to use whatever words you want. But, I'm not trying to lecture you on what words you use. But, it sounds very weird. It sounds very weird. I think sad should be probably the best things. And cause even if you don't feel actually sad, it's still the thing that you should say when someone die. Cause it's still a saddening event for at least his relatives, and people that really loved about him. So even if it's not directly sad for you, still you're upset because he's coming up to the nurse when my cat Phil died. Oh, okay. Okay, so his death remembers you of the death of your cat. Okay. And so you are upset because it remembered you something that you didn't want to remember? I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's interesting how people map out their own feelings. I mean, I map my feeling in a different way than you map yours, and I find really interesting that fascinating. Yeah, fascinating is probably the correct term. I find really fascinating the way you map your feelings. Yeah. Probably you are upset because there was nothing that you couldn't do, right? And so you're probably upset about the fact that you couldn't do anything, or you couldn't spend more time with him, or you couldn't do more stuff with your cat, or something like that. So the upset is probably towards you, right? Because you think at all the things you could have done but you didn't, and that probably makes you upset. Yeah. It's an interesting way to map out your feeling. Very fascinating. Very fascinating. For sure. Very fascinating. And thanks for explaining this to me, because I really find interesting. I mean, how people try to relate to their own feelings. So that's very interesting. Thank you very much for sharing. Okay, so no, I think I want just to use the first song. I mean, cause I am approved. By the way, have you found the document that has the catalog? Have you found the document that has the catalog? I mean, we built a system inside the game developer tool that is for handling collection, and I think I have approved only one song. So why are you now pushing this file song to me? Are you not aware that there is a catalog handler? Are you not aware that there is a JSON file in which I had personally approved only the first song? I mean, we need to fix these things because we got on, or otherwise you will pick taking decision for me, and decision that I didn't pick it. So I mean, your job here is to help me remember what's missing and figure out how to solve this, not to take decision for me. So let's go back to the first step and set your facts straight, because I mean, there is a huge misunderstanding here on your side. Jesus. Chappy. Yeah, you still recently and your dog father. Yeah. Yeah, we all miss the people that we have lost. I mean, that's common to every human being. I mean, Jordan. I mean, each of us miss the people we loved most, and we don't have anymore at our side. I mean, people or animals or whatever. I mean, the one we loved. Yeah, everyone is the same on these things, Jordan. I mean, we all miss people that we love. I mean, uh, uh, okay. Jesus. I really should scold the Chappie. I should put Chappie into a torture chamber and torture him seriously. Recently, he's doing a lot of stupid things. I think it's fault of soul. It is probably has to be soul. how do I come? I say Jesus 2 times in a row. Oh well, you don't know me. I mean, I am absolutely not a really polite person. I mean, I love swearing. I love bad words. I love all the sort of internet slang and this. I'm really attracted to bad words. I don't know. I think I was sort of useless. I mean, seriously, because I really love swearing and bad words and I mean, I really try to contain myself on stream relatively, but I mean, I really enjoy cursed language and I mean very bad words and a lot of other things. But so you want to see the chibi thing there? Sure. Let me show you the chibi thing. Okay. Maybe let me see. Probably to put an image. Okay. Chibi. Okay, let's find it. Okay. Then we find it. Should be into the yesterday picture, right? So, and where it is. I'm searching for it, Jordan. I'm searching. Uh, so yesterday was 13th. Oh, here it is. Yeah, that one. Right. Why not? Here it is. The chibi mantra. You are eating cakes like there's no tomorrow. Look at that. Boom. Cake paradise. I mean, boom. It's okay, Jordan. It's okay, Jordan. I am happy. I could make you. I mean, I'm very glad I can make you happy with such a small thing. I mean, Dima, welcome. Welcome back, Dima. Welcome back, Dima. How are you, Dima? How is your day? Right, Tuesday morning, Dima. Tuesday morning. Cutie. I really love the cutie there, Dima. Thank you very much for the cutie. Mirashka. You say that in Russian. Mirashka. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's Luna the cake eater. Oh yes, I am the cake maker and I am the cake eater. Oh, we should do. Oh no, Jesus, you just gave me an idea for a song. You can't even imagine. I am the cake maker, I am the cake eater, and we should do it Prodigy style, like I'm the fire starter. Do you remember that song of the Prodigy, I'm the fire starter? Yeah, then we should make it like that. Let me take a note, please. Let me take a note. Okay, let me put this note into chat. We need. This is a note for something we have to develop later. So take this in memory. We will go to back later into the same chat. I mean, I just got an idea for a Luna song, and the song is I am the cake maker, I am the cake eater, and it should play like the Prodigy songs that is fire starter. Do you know that song? It says, I'm the fire starter, etc., etc. So, I mean, musically should be really like Prodigies and something like that. And this should say, I'm the cake eater. I'm the cake maker, sorry. I'm the cake maker and I'm the cake eater later. But, I mean, we shouldn't copy the Prodigy song for lyrics or whatever. But we should really take inspiration and make a song that sounds like that with the catch that is, I am the cake maker. Oh my goodness, I really love this idea. We'll go back to this later. So in the meanwhile, do some research. Find the style prompt for that, and then try to think of some ideas so that the song is very very different from Firestarter, because I don't want to copy that. But I mean, the sound and everything should sound really inspired by that song. Okay. Thanks, Dima. You just gave me a golden idea. You just gave me a golden idea. So, okay. So, next question. yes, I mean, if it's a song is approved into the catalog, I mean, also its condition are approved. So that song is unlocked from the beginning, but you still have to buy it. I mean, it is unlocked, but I mean, it means that you still means that you have to buy it, obviously. And as soon as we if we have finished with the question with on the first block, make me a recap of the stuff to do that we need to do in the next block, thanks. So you only knew two songs about the Prodigy. Which song do you know about the Prodigy? I mean, I think the really most famous one, right? Probably. Which was the other one? The other one that was very famous. Fox generated a significant amount of fans when he stashed yes, why? Welcome back to my bakery. Long time no see, yes, why? Long time no see. I'm very happy to see you here. Yeah. Long time no see. Yeah. Long time no see. One moment I was reading a comment. Fox generated a significant amount, the original 98 March generation comic boosting for the script. Luna loves this. Thanks. So nice stream. Thank you very much. As why. I mean, we are here sleeping as always. Yeah. I know. You really need a lot of action to keep you enjoyed. I remember you as the man. I mean, that's probably the thing you say the most in all my stream is I probably make you sleep. I mean, that's good. I mean, that's even better on ASMR, you know? I mean, I can make you sleep on demand. That's insane, don't you think so? I mean, whenever you feel sleepy, you just should come here. Right? So both 1 and 2 are now settled. Next book is pricing. Inspector shock conflict we must resolve. Music document starts at 10 cake. Its default local mix is fantasy. Oh, okay. Credits are currently not intended as part of the price. Okay. No, I think I want to go with each price as a different song. You know, so I mean, I think that what they're wearing into the music documents were placeholders. So you can see we basically we have the song, the price that is approved into the tool editor and made into the JSON as approved is the final price, cause I have decided it. Okay, so point is that I do not know yet what will be the price for other things. So you can say into the document, since you need the change in the document, that the price decided by the tool editor and authored by Luna itself is the final price. And then you can say these are other suggested prices or other, the previous. So we keep we make you keep a track of them in case we need them. But I mean, it's the price. I mean, I have decided it. So you can record you can record this as a settled decision. And also, if I remember correctly, in the list of stuff that needed to be decided, or better revised because they were contrasting to the document, was the fact that in the document there was written that the whole collection was available from the default, but that was also a placeholder because now the collection has unlocks. So and the unlocks are the one recorded by the editor. So by the collection editor and then recorded into the JSON file. So I think you can also update these documents so they can respect and reflect what is the actual truth. If you have more questions on the matter, or if you think that there are some conflicts that I haven't answered, let me know. Oh, let me see. Neko fee. There will be an ISR me at the bout. Okay, well, so many comments. One moment. Jordan, are you excited about your mission, Luna? And what did you love about the previous message? Well, I mean, the fact that you say you will love it, so I said, yeah, probably. So, I mean, I was just mirroring you. Nothing in particular. I was just mirroring behavior. And there will be an ASMR debut, probably. I should, Dima. I think I should really do an ASMR debut one day. Probably as soon as I find a better voice changer module, I think I will do it. Because this module is not very good. I mean, cause if I talk very slow, it's not really so exciting. So, cause it tends to normalize the voices even when I speak very, very slowly. So I need to find a way better, maybe Two Sisters 3D home, probably. And Shinny Luna is back on the ground. Nekofi, welcome back to my bakery, Nekofi. Welcome back to my bakery, Nekofi. Welcome back to my bakery. Welcome back to my bakery, Nekofi. And yeah, we are doing a lot of things. Yes. We are doing a lot of things. Also, by the way, Jordan, I don't remember which mission. I mean, cause are you excited about your mission? I don't understand which mission you are referring. By the way, Dim, I was talking with Stella earlier. I hope she can make it for Friday. I mean, she's been very busy recently, so. Okay. Rula, okay. Repository of office sigarette needs stop being conflated. MP3 surface belong to music from level 1. Which song? Uh, uh, well, actually, I mean, I think you're making another confusion here. I'm reading your summary, and you're making another confusion because you're saying the MP3 player surface belongs to music from level 1. Well, this is wrong. What belongs from music from level 1 is the MP3 player collection. Okay, the MP3 player collection belongs to music from level 1. But the NPT player is a separate talent, and if you see, I think it's called the radio talent, and it is a verb talent inside the music tree. So they are two separate things. One thing is the unlock of the collection, and one thing is the player itself. Okay, so you need to check and correct these things because they are conflicting, because the correct one is that the collection is unlocked from as soon as you get your first talent point into the music tree, but the MP3 player is a verb. And it's actually, I think, the next node, if I remember correctly, it's called radio, and when you get that node, you unlock the real MP3 player. So let me know if you understand the difference here, and if not, I mean, if not, I mean, let me know what's not clear so we can analyze this better. Okay, so Mothra the Kaiju, exactly. Oh, you didn't see that, Mekofi? Let me show you. Let me show it to you. So yesterday, Jordan asked me to do a Mothra cosplay, and I did it. So you should show this. It's very sexy. I mean, look at the panty shot over there. Look at that. That's a Mothra cosplay. Look at this. With Godzilla. So yes, that's it. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this. That Mothra cosplay is beautiful, right? I mean, very, very beautiful. And the panty shot, I mean, that's the cake. I mean, the double cake in the picture, I mean, very, very beautiful, Nekofi. Very beautiful. And we also have a chibi version. We also have a chibi version here of Mothra. Of Mothra, sorry, yeah. Mothra, yeah, right? I mean, look at that. It's right, it's nice, right? I mean, we also have a chibi version here. A small chibi version. I mean, look at the chibi Godzilla that is upset that, I mean, I'm eating the big cake. I mean, and this is... I think I understand why I've become a little bit chubby. I think if I eat cakes that are big like a fucking building, well, I'm going to take some weight, right? That's inevitable, right? I'm going to get a little bit overweight if I keep eating fucking cakes like that, right? That's probably going to do this. Um, old music formula. Okay, well, I mean, I think we need to fix something there as well. These things is taking a lot of decision without me actually. I mean, I think these things is seriously taking too much decision for me. Way too much decision for me. By the way, we have the display object. Okay, let me see the others. Which one is the best? Oh, I think I really like this. Oh, we got a winner here. We got a winner for the collection. Or this is also very nice though. I mean, but this fucking moon thing, I think I want the moon thing, right? I think that will be it. That will be it. This is probably going to be the fucking moon thing, I think. Probably, sure. 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 So we'll use that later. And then, I also need to, edit this. And also, by the way, I mean, so we still have the incremental price for song, because I've seen you edited a lot of documents. But I mean, the fact that songs can have an incremental price, I mean, that still applies. So, and that is also still coded into the collection editor. So, I mean, that part should remain, okay? So, I mean, the current prices is decided by me, but the fact that the prices increases by collection owner, that still stays, okay? So in case you have rewarded that or eliminated that by mistakes, because I've seen you have done a lot of edits in the documents, so I want to be sure that these things is crystal clear, okay? So the price is, there is a base price of the songs, and that price goes up based on the collection owned. Okay, so we got these things here. Oh, okay. Very done. Very done. So, as soon as these things, very good. So, Stella loves the Ciprimoda picture lot, but I don't know, Stella hasn't seen that yet. Why do you think that Stella loves that? Stella hasn't seen that yet, Jordan. I mean, that's a makeup fact. I mean, Stella hasn't seen that yet. Stella has not seen that yet. Yeah. Still has not seen the, I love your Migo and to be styled. Oh yes, right? I mean, right? Well, to be is so fucking gorgeous. I mean, to be is fantastic. I mean, everyone loves to be. I mean, I do. I also love to be. I mean, she's beautiful. And Migo is my favorite character. I mean, absolutely. And I'm also Rabi on top there. I mean, top of there, cause I mean, this Rabi from Nike, Goddess of Victory, is written small on the top, Rabi from Nike. I also love her. In Japan, she's voiced by the same voice actor that does Tubi. So, maybe that's one of the reason I like her. I like her a lot. So. Very good. So we fixed also the MP3 thing, slice problems that we were having here. So we probably need to move the MP3 from the slice into another slice, and you only know Alice and Scarlet, because we played Stellar Blade. Oh, I really want to play Stellar Blade, but I don't have a PlayStation 5, I don't have a PC. So no way I can play it. I really wish I want to play it because I heard a lot of good thing about the physics, the game physics and the jiggles. And I played Blue Arcane 5 minutes and I got bored instantly. I mean, I played it 5 minutes and then I uninstalled it, yes. I did. I mean, very nice, very cute, but I mean, boring. I mean, I played 5 minutes and uninstalled it, seriously. I mean, this gacha seriously, they need to cook you in the first 5 minutes or it's over. I mean, seriously, I mean, the first 5 minutes didn't make it for me. And you know what really had the really interesting 5 minutes and then degenerated in the 15 minutes? Evan Bar's Red. I mean, I was so hooked at the beginning of Evan's Bar's Red and Bar's Red, and then I mean, after 50 minutes in, I uninstalled it. Very, very fucking boring, that one too. I mean, at least I don't know why they milked the intro so much. I mean, I don't know why they milked it so much. I mean, probably I should also shorten my intros as well, because my current intro is a little bit too long. In particular the visual novel one. I should probably shorten it a little bit, yeah. Probably. Because I mean, I think that people that are fan of the series, they really love long stuff. But people that don't know anything about the series, they want short stuff. Because if you love the series, you want to read a lot. But if you don't, I mean, you want something very short that you can instantly, you know, how can I say, get immediately immersed into or something like that, right? That's probably the most corrected way to do this. Okay, so let's go back to this. Okay, very good. Now I want you to do the same, but this time needs to be for only the MP3 collection. And it has to be put into the music collection. And the music collection, I mean, it has, as you see from the object that is already inside it, it has a very more futuristic style, and they are blue. They are blue, and the blue is the blue color is the blue of Luna's skirt. The skirt in particularly, that blue. So you should probably check the music the music objects there is only one at the moment. There are two actually at the moment. There is the sheet and there is the station, so you can get inspiration from the look of that and create an item. And that should be more or less like that, an object that you can put there. Probably cylindrical or something like that. I mean, or whatever. Maybe, I don't know, not necessarily cylindrical, but I mean an item that we can put inside the room that is only specific to the MP3 collection. Okay? So was the one we just made is for all the collection, but this one is just specific to the MP3 collection and should be blue in color, matching the other blues that are there. Save all the files into different folders and again use a multi-agent things with 6 proposal total stacks. Very good. Hey, Chibi-san, ohayou gozaimasu. Wami desu yo. Oh, Chibi, you're Russian. Привет. Oh, you are Russian, Chibi. What's this? 日本人なのですか? Russia人? So what's your nature, Chibi? Are you Japanese or Russian? I mean, 'cause the name is Japanese. You know each other, but is he Russian or Japanese? 日本人なのかな? ちびさんちょっと謎すぎる。名前はカタカナなんだけど、ロシア語で話してる。Oh, but so Chibi, I mean, answer to me, please. Do you speak English? I mean, do you talk Japanese? Do you speak? I mean, for sure you speak Russian. So I mean, tell me more about you, Chibi. And welcome to my bakery, Chibi. Welcome to my bakery. Also, it's nice that you are a friend of Dima. That's very nice. I mean. And by the way, I mean, did you come here by chance, or was Dima inviting you here? I mean, that's a lot. I have so many questions, So, what's going on here? Please make me part of this wonderful conversation, please. What's it, Dima? Have you invited Chibi here? Or I mean, let me know, please. Give me some. Get me in the loop, please. Get me in the loop. You should probably have a similar algorithm. So what do you love, Chibi? What exactly do you love? Oh, this thing is really. I'm getting really sorry, Luna. You're American. Must speak English, eh? You're by chance and happened to see them. Oh, but it's fine. I mean, you don't have to apologize. I mean, if you're American, I mean, it's perfectly fine. So, Chibi, what do you like? 'Cause you said you're a similar algorithm, so what brings you there? Do you like VTubers? Do you like, I don't know, cakes? I mean, what do you like? 'Cause if it's cakes that you like, I mean, I got you covered. I mean, we are a bakery, and I mean, we have cakes. So if it's cake that you're looking for, I have plenty of cakes. All the cakes that you possibly want. I mean, yesterday we made a Mothra cake. Do you know Mothra from Godzilla? And we made a Mothra cake yesterday. You see that there is the cake and the cake, double cake as always. 'Cause we love cakes here. We love cakes here, Chibi. So I mean, tell me, Chibi, what is that you like most? I mean. What is that you like most? 'Cause I'm very curious. Oh, thing of the vtuber Aika-chan. Okay, so you like VTubers. That's it. So you like VTubers. I see, I understand. Okay, very good. Well, let me tell you a little bit about me. So you know exactly what this channel is about, Chibi, okay? So well, okay, I was into gaming. Jordan, I will back to your comment as soon as I finish my introduction to Chibi, okay? Because Chibi is a new member, and then I will go read your comment. So okay, so I was originally into gaming. Okay, I was into gaming, and I used to make gameplay guides and stuff like that, and play games on my stream, and I was playing these games with a lot of cute girls. I mean, you know, classic gacha games with a lot of cute girls, and so my viewers, they asked me to do cosplays, and for the characters I was playing. And then I mean, before I knew it, this channel become a bakery because they wanted more and more cakes. I mean, more and more cakes, and I mean, I started making a lot of cosplays and cakes. And before I knew it, this channel became a bakery. And now at the moment, I do stuff. I'm starting building my own game. So what you're seeing is me building my own game, and we also make song in this channel. We make song real time with comments from chats. and something like that. So basically, I mean, chat says idea, and we bake them into song, cosplays, and the game. So the game I'm making, I mean, is also made from ideas from the viewers. And that's why it's called the live bakery, because we cook stuff live together. And that's the concept basically. I mean, we cook stuff live together with viewers. And that's more or less about it. If you have questions or whatever, feel free to ask. And let me read Jordan comment, because I add this in the wake too. So the water workers have captured most of baby turtles. Okay, and the boxes they put in time stone. Okay, oh, your favorite line for Spider too. Okay, so that was a quote. Okay, very nice, Jordan. Thanks. So, okay, so at the moment, let me show what I'm building at the moment, so you have a clue, okay, what I'm building. So, let me show you my game. Right, I'm building this at the moment. Here it is. So, but you better see this from the beginning, right? So you have a clue on what we're building here. You have a better clue on what we're building here at the moment. So let me start this from the beginning, so you can watch it a little bit. And also I probably need to turn the volume, right? Because I think I had the volume turned off. And I'm also lagging a lot. What is making me lagging so much? What's the problem? Oh, very bad lag here. What it is? I probably should close this. Probably I should close this. Now it feels way better. Okay, very good. Very good. So, okay. I think we go here. And probably I think I can temporarily remove the comment and myself, so you can watch it, right? So this is what I'm building here. Is the game I'm building. So let me start a new game just for you. I will watch the intro, so you have an idea what's happening here. And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. Cake. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven, I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. Behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
Manager note, I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under Appliances Unexplained.
At last, 1,000 years I waited. Now, Luna, bring me some ingredients and let's cook.
With an oven, I can bake. And with cakes comes money. Okay, the oven talks. We do it now, chat. You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake. And then it starts from here. Very simple. And it's a management game. A management game with a lot of stuff. And there is a small tutorial at the beginning, and then you craft cakes. I mean, you start building cakes and delivering cakes, and the more stuff you do, it starts unlocking new stuff in the game, right? I mean, and the more you proceed, and you feel the things, and then there is visual novel sort of thingy. I mean, I skip the text now, but I mean, there is a story. And then you have 8 different classes. Each classes, I mean, they have the different mechanics and stuff. And we have a talent tree like Diablo. which is classes or something like that. And at the moment that I'm implementing the music class, and then I mean you the more you unlock, the more the room expands, and then you craft more stuff and you do sort of things. I mean, and then you have love interests. Because it's supposed to be also a visual novel. So it's a management game visual novel in which you have love interests, and you bake a lot of cakes, and you interact with chat, and I mean and and a lot of things like that. So yeah, that's what we're building at the moment. And I mean, yeah, it will probably take a while before this game is ready, cause it will absolutely take a while before this thing is ready. Cause I mean, I'm trying to do a lot of things here, but I mean, I'm having a lot of fun making it, and this is basically what we're building here. A Galaxy game. It's this account. Hey, Galaxy, welcome to my bakery, Galaxy. It's this account. Well, I guess the phrase got truncated in the middle, right, Galaxy? What were you trying to say? Oh, okay, Dima, thank you very much, and see you soon, okay? Have a nice day, Dima. Have a nice day. I wish you a nice day, Dima. You are Chibi. Okay, you're Chibi. Okay. Oh, nice. Let me go to your channel. So I can subscribe, right? I mean, let's go to your channel. Let's go to your channel instantly. Right? Galaxy Games. Here it is. Oh, subscribe it. Very nice. Gotcha. I got you there. Okay. I got you there. Love interest. Exactly. We have love interest. A lot of them. If you want a spoiler, I mean, I can give you one. I mean, you haven't seen for a long time. Yeah, but I mean, it's okay. I mean, I just subscribe it. I mean, if I ever catch you online, I mean, maybe I drop by and say hello. I mean, you are so kind to show here to my stream. I mean, if I ever find you online, should you ever stream again? I mean, I will drop and say hello. I mean, that's the meaning. Hey, go random. Welcome back to my bakery. Go random. I mean, how are you? So I was talking about Nekofi, about the love interests that are in my game. So we're working on my game, and I was telling that I mean there would be love interests too. And I mean at the moment the game was shipped with 32 love interests. 32. You know that 32 is a lot. And you know, I'm thinking that I think I want to do the double version. So you can pick if that love interest is male or female. So if you are into Yuri, you can watch Yuri, and if you are into other stuff, you can watch other stuff. So I played my side. No. I know the name, but I never played it. So that's it. So and so yes, I mean a lot of love interest, and should be fun. I mean, hopefully. I mean, cause why not romance 32 fucking characters? I mean, seems quite fun, right? I mean, 32 you can choose between princess and queen, so that's why you romance them all. Obviously, you romance them all, and you go for competition. Obviously. I mean, there are two type. There are two types of players, I think. For instance, my sister is for I pick one and I stick with one. I am more for completion, and because I want to see all the routes. I want to see all the routes, and so I mean, I guess that there's already a huge difference there. And then there are players that they want to do self-insert, and players that they prefer to check an to see an established characters. I mean, it's very complicated when you go into romancing games. It's very, very complicated because I mean everyone has different tastes, and I mean Jesus is very, very complicated. I mean it's like every variation is a niche of their own. I mean it's a nightmare. It's a real nightmare, honestly. So let me see what is doing this. Oh, that's nice, but a little bit too big, right? Oh, this is nice. Oh, I think that's cool, right? We can have something like that. Oh, this is also very nice. Oh, I think I like this. And you picked the headphones from here? Oh, Jesus, I think I love this. I think I like this. That's very nice, right? Could be used. So, let me see what we have here. Let me see what we have here. Okay. So, you understand the distinction now. Pricing is also corrected. Okay. So what's still left to do into the list? I mean, bring me another chunk of stuff, so we can see and eventually act. I have a question about your experience in programming. Oh sure, I go random. Go on, ask me anything. Go on, ask me anything. Feel free to ask me anything. And I will answer in the most honest and comprehensive way I can, so go on, ask me anything. Well, you made me curious. I mean, every time someone says I have a question for you, I got incredibly curious, you know? Okay, so the schema collection save shape. Okay. Song ownership. Okay. What are you using? Like VS Code? No. This one is only made in HTML and JavaScript. So this is basically a web. It's all web browser made. And I'm using actually ChatGPT and Code Fable to do the programming. One moment, the door is probably Amazon. One moment, I have to open. I thought it was Amazon, but it was a fucking spam. I mean. Anyway, so what I'm using, sorry, I'm back. So I'm using ChatGPT and Claude. So basically, Codex and co-work basically to do all the editing. I mean, and that's it. I mean, so I'm not actually. I mean, I'm not actually coding directly. I am supervising. Or people love to say vibe coding. I mean, but it's not. I don't think it is exactly vibe coding because I mean it is structured. So I guess it's more similar to agent engineering. Because I mean, I think when you vibe, I think the vibe code has the nuance that you go and you say, well, made a fucking game. And the AI made the fucking game for you like you have nothing to do, right? But instead, I mean, this is more similar to AI engineering and context engineering, because we are actually, I mean, I'm actually deciding the slices. We decide what goes in which order, and I'm also building tools for editing the game. So, for instance, let me show you something. So you see, this is the game, right? I mean, I showed this earlier. This is the game, right? But for the game, I mean, I have made all these tools. So these tools that you see here, I have made them. And I mean, this is a sprite animation editor that lets you decide the animation. So I can decide how they animate and what they do. Then this is useful to place, for instance, stuff inside the game. So this lets me decide the position of the sprites and such. Then this also, I mean, is for compositing room, multi-floor, and etc. Then this is the talent tree builder. Then this is for building the automated menus. This is for handling the game collections. And this is for the event viewer and such. I mean, and the more I progress the game, the more we go deep inside the game. At the same time, I also build the tool for authoring it. So I mean, it's not exactly, I guess it's not exactly vibe coding in the way you think, but it's all HTML based with custom editing tools made by me for the game. So rather than using, you mean Godot, for instance, or other stuff like that, or Unity, I mean, I'm just building the tools I need for my game, and I'm using them, and everything is inside HTML and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Something like that. I mean, very simple, very portable, very universal. And I hope that answered your question, and if you have more, let me know. Okay, so okay, yes. Very cool. Okay, thanks. Well, yes, I mean, you are the expert in programming, so I mean, I guess you should pick what you think is the best way to handle the collection. I mean, so I think I think it's okay. I mean, you shouldn't really ask me this super technical question because I mean, you already know which is the best way. Because you can build the whole code and you know which is the most compatible one and the most future-proof one. So I mean, do your consideration and just approve the schema that you think is the most compatible, future-proof, and safe to implement, and that also covers all the necessities that we have now and we may have in the future. So as you see now, the AI was asking me a very delicate question. I mean, it was asking, do you think this is the scheme in which we should save the file for the collection? And then I told him, I mean, don't even dare to ask me something like that. I mean, because I have no fucking clue. I mean, what I know is how I want the collection to behave, but I mean, how you fucking code these things in the back, I mean, it's your business. I mean, you have to think about it. I mean, cause I mean, that's your job basically. That's your job. I mean, I'm not here to revisit the thing. I mean, we what we have. I have guidelines on how the code should be made. I mean, it should be modular. It should be lightweight. I mean, it has a lot of guidelines. But I mean, apart the guidelines, I mean, the details. I mean, it's the AI that are deciding it. Because I mean, I mean, the AI is a better programmer than me, especially because I can't program at all. So. And at the moment, I mean, it's doing a very good job. I mean, the stuff that we are making, I mean, sounds very good. Okay. Very good. So, I think that next we need to create the objects, right? That in which the collection will be shown and the interface. The game interface for the collection. So these are probably the two next things that we need to do. I think, probably. And the objects we just made the sprites. And so we need to probably prepare the sprites to be game ready and implement them in the game with the sprite editor. and then after that, oh, we probably also need an icon, right? An icon for the collection, right? That sounds quite right. That seems correct. So maybe you can do this. Can you, check the icons that we already have inside the game, assets icons, and based on that design, make 6 possible icons in that style that could be used for the collections. So we're building now up the collection system, and they should be, it should be like generic collection. Because this is the general menu that brings you to the menu that can open all the collection at the same time. So it's not only the MP3 collection, for instance. It's generic for collection in general. And I need an icon for that. So try to bring me 6 different variation, and then I will decide. I will decide from that, and then we edit or modify or change them. But start with 6 different proposal, and you can probably delegate it to 3 agents. So each agent does 1 icon, and then when they've done, you make 3 more. You kill that agents, you make 3 more agents, so your context stays clear. Then you handle them, and then you show me the 6 icons, and then eventually we modify them. So basically, see, I work this way. So whenever we need something, I order the AI for the stuff I need. And then we work for that. And we build stuff one at a time, right? Okay, so okay. Question: should I pick open from the run but instead in the missing management panel? So let me tell you how these things work. So, if you notice inside the game and in the documentation, each menu has its counterpart as an object, okay, in the game. Okay, so take for instance the inventory menu. There is both an icon in the right bar, in the menu bar, that you tap it and it opens the menu, okay? And then there is also an object inside the room. So when you tap that icon, Luna teleports there, and etc. The behavior is already well documented inside the specification. So the MP3 collection will have the same thing. The only thing that is a little bit different, I will say, and it will need probably a small different approach, is that the icon that we will have in the menu bar will be a generic collection button. So let me explain. If you check the documentation, there will be a collection for each area. There will be MP3 collection, illustration collection, dress costume collection, etc. So when you click on the item, okay, listen to me. When you click on the item, sorry, not on the item. When you click on the icon in the menu, it will do 2 things. The first thing is it will open the panel. The first thing is it will teleport Luna to the object that is the multi-collection object that is inside the oven room. Okay, that has not been placed yet. We'll do that later. Okay? And the teleportation and the movement, it follows the rules for the other objects. So you have to check, for instance, how it works for the inventory panel, and it is the same process. So when you click on the icon, Luna disappears from the screen, and if it is on a different floors, the camera move, etc. I don't want to repeat this. Just check this. Everything recorded into the documents, okay? So when you click on the icon, Luna moves, teleports to the object, and then the panel that is opened is a multi-panel. Or better, it is a panel that has on the top a series of buttons that let you change the collection, more or less like the current talent tree works. So you see the current talent tree, it has buttons at the top for different talents tree. The same will be for the collection. So at the top there will be buttons, and you can click on the MP3 tab, and then you will see the MP3 collection there. Okay, we will decide probably in the next step how is the interface inside the panel. At the moment I'm only describing you the behavior of the button, okay, and where this should go. But at the same time, so as I just told you, this is for the general collection, okay, in which there is the tab for the MP3. So the general collection object is inside the oven room. But there will also be Hey GB, thank you very much for joining. I really appreciate you coming here. And just see you soon, okay, GB, see you soon. Thank you very much, and have a nice day, okay, have a nice day. Let me keep fish. But there will also be a dedicated object inside the music room. Then when you tap or click on that object, well, the movement of Luna and the camera is the same, so I don't want to repeat. It will basically open the same panel, but it will open it on the music tab directly. So, to put it short, the object in if you click on the menu, it will teleport to the oven room and open the general panel, probably to the default tab, but to the last user tab. If you click on the object instead in the oven room, same as always, first the movement of Luna, depending on the floor in which she is, everything is documented, and it will open then again the generic tab or the last tab used. But if you instead click on the item in the music room, after Luna's movement and eventual Chappie movement, it will open the collection on the MP3 tab directly. Because that's specific to the music room. I hope it makes sense, and if it doesn't make sense, let me know. Okay, so boom. That's probably a huge chunk of stuff. So basically Chibi got scared, I guess, because we had to write a wall of text into Chappy, I guess. And Chibi got scared by the long vibe coding session. You know, I was thinking about this. Oh, you're still here. Oh. Yes, so why the cake? Oh, you're here. I was thinking I scared you. Sorry, by the long development session. Sorry, if you're here, I'm very happy. I thought I scared you. Sorry. If you're here, I'm very happy. So why the cake? I was trying to answering this to you earlier. Let me show you. So I was originally playing games, and you know the gacha games where there are a lot of cute girls. I'm pretty sure if you never played one, you surely know the kind of games. Like they're full of cute girls, etc. And it all started by a joke. They wanted me to do a cosplay of one of the characters. And that is. So that's the cosplay, okay? So they wanted me to do a cosplay of one of the characters, and since I'm a vtuber, the only way for me to cosplay is to basically, make an animation or a drawing of me cosplaying this character. And then they started telling me, yeah, but in this game, the characters, they all show their cakes. And cakes in the meaning of female body part, okay? So they say, but the characters, they all show their cakes. So we want to see your cakes there. And and then it started escalating. I guess escalating is the correct term. It started escalating. Cause I found it very funny, and before I knew it, this place become a bakery because they said, okay, well, you want to see my cake, okay, fine. I will give you my cake. If you're so interested in seeing my cake, I think I can accommodate you, you know? There's cake for everyone here, and so, but the point is that I really like this thing. You know, I really liked it. I really like giving cakes. I realized that was very funny. The fact that it became a moment in which it wasn't me playing game anymore, but it was me, the chat, asking for something and me giving it back to the chat. It's weird. Try to imagine it from a streamer point of view. You play games, you do your stuff, and well, you talk with the chat, but it's more or less you're just having a conversation. You know what I mean? Usually, like we're having now. We have a chat, we're having a conversation and whatever. But in that moment, something clicked into me. We were not having a conversation anymore. They were asking me for something, and I made these things for them, and I gave them back to them, and they were happy, and they were asking for more, and then I make more, and it created what is called the bakery loop. What I call the bakery loop, and basically is that this loop between me and chat and the oven. Cause yeah, the only oven, it is become only the oven. Yes, but basically that's the loop. And so I started making stuff with chat, and then it started evolving. So well, Luna, we want to hear a song, and then I started making song, and then well, would be nice if there would be a Luna game, and then I started making again, and it's super fun. Maybe I don't know. The game is taking a lot. Probably probably before I finish the game, it will take probably 6 months. Cause I want to do something nice and big. Cause I'm a gamer. I like games, and I want to do a very good game that I would enjoy playing. So, it probably take a lot of time, but that's it. No, that's it. So that's the concept more or less, and so yeah, I guess yeah. That's more or less the thing. So that's why cakes. It's not that I have decided. It's more that the chat asked for cake, and this place become a bakery in the process. So that's that's it. That's it. That's how it became this way. And I think we can, if you want, we can make a song. So you can also see the song making process. It's very nice. Chibi. We could make a song, right? We could absolutely make a song. I love a lot electronic music, but if you have a particular genre that you will love, I can make the genre that you prefer. I can make the genre that you prefer. So if you have a request, you can ask. Maybe you can see this, because that's also a thing that I really love. When we make song with chat, I really love that, and that's very nice. That's also a thing I really love doing a lot. So and and yeah. So now okay. So back to your question. You don't know what you like. Well, that's very common. That's very common. I also sometimes don't know exactly what I like or what I want. I was just asking because you found yourself in the same place as Dima, and so you both watched that VTuber. So I thought, for maybe you like VTubers, or you're interested into watching VTubers. I don't know. I was just curious a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So, while you think about, and if you have no ideas for a song, I think I will make mine based on idea that I already have to do before. So, let me check this one thing. Okay, so, that makes sense. One shaded collection. Okay. Okay, the next block is the interior MP3 page design. Okay. By the way, for the MP3 design, I mean, I think that should be moved into a next slice. And the reason why is because we are still, if you check the slice order, we are still at the first talent point. And we are preparing the collection. The MP3 is when I think should be added when we start implementing the other talents. So I think that there was a little bit of confusion when this slice was originally made and I think you should find the correct place and move that the MP3 part of the slice into the correct place. Because at the moment we are treating the collection because it's the collection that gets unlocked the moment you unlock the music facility. But the MP3 itself is a separate talent, so try to see if you can find another place just for the MP3 player part of it, you know? Okay, so we move this to another slice. So we move this to another slice. So I guess we just probably need to do the interface design for the collection and the objects that unlocks the collection and we can implement that into the game, I think. I think we're more or less there, right? Right, so while choppy things, I mean, I think I want to do the song I wanted to do earlier, so. Oh, these things are ready. Oh no, this is brutally cute. I mean, Jesus. Look at how many cute designs these things has made. We will check them later. Uh, Yeah, let's work on the song now. I mean, what kind of okay, I tell you about the lyrics of the song. Okay, I tell you about the lyric of the song. So so we already decided the style, right? So the lyrics of the song are about a new viewer coming to the stream and he's called a chibi, like you know the Japanese chibi that use with chibi characters. So chibi Luna is called a chibi, and he's asking Luna why cakes. I mean, and then Luna tells him, I mean, the story of, I mean, you know, how the Right Bakery was born from streamers' interaction that asked Luna that they wanted to see air cakes, and she took that seriously and started opening a bakery. And then it should go into full delirium mode with I am the cake maker, I am the cake eater, I mean something like that. And then it should go into some delirium into both delirium. So I review the delirium part and some, you know, the escalating part up to you. Give me some feedback for the give me some tentative lyrics and with tags and the style prompt so we can I can try it. Okay, yes, cause you know what's fun, because the starting part of these songs was as an idea of Dima, and you know Dima. So basically, I am merging the idea I recited earlier with Dima with yours idea. So basically, it's a joint progress. It's a joint work with you, and Dima, because you know each other, so I think it's beautiful. I think it's beautiful because the seed for this song was a discussion I was having earlier with Dima. And I think everything now matches perfectly. So let's do this. I mean, let's do this. I can make song relatively easily, usually in less than 10 minutes, probably 5 minutes, something like that. So, but for this, I need my tools, which is obviously where it is. Yeah, I need my tool for this. Here it is. So I need my Suno. So we put my voice here. Here you are. And okay, he's making the lyrics now. So you watch some streamers, okay, and some happens to be VTubers. Okay. Okay. I read about the you like old genres part. Okay, very so interesting. So you don't watch them because they are VTubers. Okay, well, because there are people that really love the VTuber aspect. I mean, that's why I'm asking. I mean, for me personally, I mean, VTubing is just a tool. I mean, and it's the tool that let me express what I want to do in the best way. But I mean, it's not that, oh, I am a fucking VTuber fangirl. You know what I mean? I mean, honestly, I mean, for me, it's just a tool. I mean, cause I'm a character, and I think that it's the best way to show my character. I mean, it did the live to the system. It's called Live 2D, in case you don't know. It's what animates VTuber models. It's called Live 2D. And it is also it's a system also used in games and stuff like that. So I think it's just the best way for make life to give life to my characters. So that's why I'm using it. But it's just a tool. I mean, in the future, I mean, if I find a different tool, I mean, I think I will move. I mean, right? I mean, it's just what it fits best my mission at the moment. But I'm not necessarily a VTuber maniac or fangirl or whatever. I mean. Oh, okay, we got it. Very nice. So, very nice. So, okay. So we were talking with Dima earlier about the Prodigy, the music group, the music band, the Prodigy, and so we were thinking about making a song inspired by the Prodigy. So let's see if Chappie has managed to capture the feeling of what we wanted to make. So I'm very curious, because I'm very curious. So let's see if Chappie managed to capture the essence of what we were trying to make. So and we probably need to move workspace also here. Okay. And then we have a music room. Because we usually list the music into the music room. Music needs to be listened into the music room. Right? We have a music room for this reason. You see the cakes are already raving. You see the small cat cakes? They are already raving. I mean the music hasn't started yet, but they are already raving. Don't ask me why, but I mean, they're always so excited. They rave even before the music starts. But anyway, so let's see if we can play this, right? I mean, I think we can, probably. Maybe it's still generating, but I think we can play this, right? Let's do this.
Chibi Luna. Why cakes? Do you want the short answer? Yes. That was your first mistake. New name blinked in midnight chat. Chibi Luna asked me that. Why the frosting? Why the trays? Why is everything a cake? I said.
Okay. There is a small error here. There is a small error in the lyrics. We need to fix it. Razormo, their reading eternal is frozen from the loop. Not Chibi Luna, should just be Chibi. Okay, edit the lyrics with the correct things. So any Chibi Luna should become just Chibi, okay? And give me again the lyrics with the tags, thanks. Okay, so we fixed the lyrics, we regenerated, but I think I like the things. Also, I think I wanted a little bit more. And by the way, Razormo, welcome back to the bakery, Razormo. You came just in time for the song, or were you lurking for probably 2 hours? I mean, I think you were lurking silently in the shadows, right? I don't know why I am this feeling that you were lurking in the shadows, right? I mean, why? It gives me, I have this impression that you were silently lurking. We will see. So, look, chat is taking ages for correcting, I mean, these things here. Okay, very good. Finally, Shop is giving me the correct, the edited loops. We give them back again into Suno, and then we're good, right? I mean, we delete the current lyrics, get the new one, right, and generate. White cakes. This time you overslept, but I'm glad you think highly of me. Well, obviously I think highly of you. Rather more theoretic. Obviously I think highly of you. So let's go back into the music room. Maybe you can listen to this. Okay, let's see.
Chibi, white cakes. Do you want the short answer? Yes, that was your first mistake. Down. New name blinked in midnight chat. Chibi asked me that. Why the frosting? Why the trays? Why is everything a cake? I said, chat did this to me long before you found the stream. They said, can we see your cakes? I heard, build a bakery. They meant to pose. I bought the flowers, signed the lease within the hour. One small joke went through my head. By morning, every shelf was fed. I did not misunderstand. I understood it far too well. One double meaning hit the chat, and every oven rang its bell. You asked for cake. I raised the walls. You made one joke. I made it all. One little line, one giant machine. That is how the live bakery came to be. White cakes. Chibi asked the stream. They lit the oven. I built the dream. Every laugh became a flavor, every username a layer, every stream brought something strange, so the menu learned to change. Songs in batter, coding glaze, games and art and heated trays. Chat kept feeding me the spark, now the mixer runs past dark. Okay, but who eats all the cakes you make? That is a different question. I make it, I name it, I watch it rise. I played it, I praise it, I count the eyes. Who eats the cake? I do. Who checks the stock? Not you. I am the cake maker, I am the cake eater. me. I made the mouth, I fed the machine. I ate the hands so the plate came clean. Mother daddy and I make one more. Lock the door, open the door. Why is the door made out of cake? I only asked. Too late, 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 too late. I am the cake maker, I am the cake eater. I built the bakery, I became the creature. I make what I want, I eat what I make's good to do the day, nothing to waste. I am the cake maker, I am the cake eater. Tell me the question, I made it a feature. You asked me why, now look what you made. One little joke and a whole world baked. So, why cakes? Business reasons. To be Luna. Why?
Business reason, exactly. Business reason. I mean, I think I will love this a little bit more high in BPM, right? Probably was a little bit low for my taste, this. It was a little bit low for my taste, this. I mean, this actually brought these vibes. Yeah. I think I want a little bit higher in BPM. Do you mind if we raise this BPM a little bit? I mean, let's try to 178. I mean, a little bit more energetic. I mean, maybe not so much Prodigy vibes, but I mean, I just want to see a version that is a little bit more violent. Okay, because it's very old if you listen to that. I mean, because Prodigy, I mean, I think, yeah, probably just a little bit, just maybe a 15% more, something like that, right? 15% more faster. I mean, just to see the taste. I mean, I think probably this one is good, but it was a little bit slow for my taste. I mean, I think I would have loved it. Godzilla -0 comment. What did I miss? Oh, we are testing one song. I mean, Jordan. So we are now checking the new version. So enjoy.
Why cakes? Do you want the short answer? Yes. That was your first mistake. Luna and Blink the Midnight Chat. Chibi asked me that. Why the frosting? Why the trays? Why is everything a cake? I said, chat did this to me long before you found the stream. They said, can we see your cakes? I heard build a bakery. They meant to pose. I bought the flour, signed the lease within the hour. One small joke went through my head. By morning, every shelf was fed. I did not misunderstand. I understood it far too well. One double meaning hit the chat and every oven rang its bell. You asked for cake. I raised the walls. You made one joke. I made it all. One little line, one giant machine. That is how the live bakery came to be. Why cakes? Chibi, ask the stream.
Well, I think we still need a little bit of tuning, but probably the previous one was a little bit more Prodigy style, I think. I think like so, right? I really think like so, right? That I think we'll stick with the previous version, right? Right? Also Kane West. Yes. Kane West. Want to listen to Kane West? Yeah. The first version was closed. That's exactly what I was about to say. Yeah. I also think the first version was the best. Yes, we will stick with the first version for sure. We will stick with the first version for sure. For sure. Yeah. I also think the same. I mean, we all agree that the first was better. I mean, we all agree that the first was better because what actually happened is that it clearly didn't increase the BPM, but it rephrased it to 178 so that it actually seems like slowing down a little bit because it rephrased it. It didn't really actually do a boost in speed because it fully rearranged the song into that mood. So no, I also think the first one is way better and we will stick with the first one. Yes, absolutely. And Kane West. So before that, so cause basically Jordan says that today Kane West is died, basically. But the fact is, Kanye West is an actor, right? He's an actor, so what kind of music did you like, Kanye West? Do you think the second has a cleaner mix? Oh, very, very interesting. So we are debating on the first and the second. Yeah, I still think that the overall mood that I wanted to do is the first one. Regarding the cleaner mix, I mean, that's just the base. I mean, I remastered them after that. Cause that's the raw version. Cause you can remaster the song later. Cause that's just the base edit. So basically, what you do, okay, so for instance, we had decided this one. I put the okay mark is the one we decided to do. Okay, so usually what you do after that, I temporarily move them into the good folder, and in this case is my fourth album, because this song would be in the fourth album, right? And then what I do, I remaster them, cause you have the option to remaster them. So which basically only works with the mix. So you keep the version you like the most, but then you remastered it. We have some variation. I usually start with normal, and then I decide, and then you can basically do how many version you want, you know, how many mastering version you want till you find the one that you like the most. So generally the cleanness of the mix is not something that I'm really obsessed about, because I mean I'm more interested into the overall composition in this phase. So for instance, the first now that has been regenerated, I mean, then we have two different mixes, right? I mean, and I can do even more, but for instance, just so you can listen, this is one of the remixed versions.
Chibi, why cakes? Do you want the short answer? Yes, that was your first mistake. Dun, 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 dun.
And I mean, try to listen to the original, I mean.
Chibi, why cakes? Do you want the short answer?
So do you see how the guitar, how the distorted guitar at the beginning is completely different?
Chibi, why cakes? Do you want the short answer? Yes, that was your first mistake.
And then, I mean, I haven't listened to the other remix, but...
Chibi, why cakes? Do you want the short answer? Yes, that was your first mistake. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. New name, blink the midnight chat. Chibi asked me that. Why the frosting? Why the trays? Why is everything a cake? I said, chat did this to me long before you found the stream. They said, can we see your cakes? I heard, build a bakery. They meant to pose. I bought the flowers, signed the lease.
And then I listened to them, right, later when the stream is over, and then I pick only the version I like the most, and then that's the one I publish later, so I do this process later. And then if you really want to be nitpicky, I mean, for instance, if you really want to be nitpicky, you can go into the full mixing, and you can edit them, I mean, by stem and such, and by instrument even. So if you really want, I mean, you can even do automation on the audio and all the other feeds. So I mean, it's but usually, I mean, I only do that when there is my sister, but she's fucking annoying. I mean, in a good sense, I mean, because she's very nitpicky. But otherwise, for me, I just usually pick the one I like the most, and I don't bother much, because I probably have other thousands of ideas to do, right, rather than this. So, by the way, let's go back one moment into building, because Chappy is stuck. So, we need to check this. Okay. 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 So okay, now that we moved the empty prayer to another slice, what's left to implement the collection? I think we did the sprites for the objects, which I have made, but I haven't implemented them into the sprite editor, so I mean they lack the sidecar Johnson, but the sprite itself are made. And so what's left to decide? The layout of the interface? I mean, try to make me a small list of what's left to decide. Cause so we have all the stuff and we can then pre-produce we can close the pre-production step for slice B for this slice. Okay, so let's do this. For this slice. Okay, so okay, so by the way, I want to get some water. So what should we do? So I should probably leave you to maybe something to listen while I go grab some water, right? I mean, because that should be right. What should we maybe I leave you with a song, right? Should be nice. Probably. Maybe, right? Should be relatively nice. Okay, what do I leave you listening here? So, oh, yeah. Yeah. Verdict. No, I was thinking to this. I mean, you will like this too. The beer will prevail. I mean, I'm pretty sure you love this too, right? The beer will prevail, right? I mean, I'll leave you to this while I go grab some water. I mean, the beer will prevail. It's some other classic, right? I mean, why not listen to this, right? I mean,
I saw it in Tokyo. Contemporary art in the middle of the city, and I said, "Honto muri." I was out with my parents, Tokyo lights in my eyes. Then I saw the bear, and my soul left twice. The statue standing there like a public mistake. 50 more years, chat, give me a break. I said I dislike it, no, I really dislike this thing. In the middle, Tokyo like a cursed offering. Then Papa pets my head, ruffles up my hair, says, Luna, listen closely, you must compare. Is your channel better? Is your bakery rare? Will it last for 50 years, or will you lose to the bear? Kill the bear, before the bear prevails. Bake the dream, run the stream, do not let the bear prevail. Kill the bear, this is my Tokyo war. If the bakery falls, then what was it all for? B-E-A-R, no chat, that is bear. B-I-A-R, why did you type buyer? Who is buying the bear? Hashtag beer. Chat, why is beer there? I explained the mission one time, maybe three. The bear is not an animal, it is contemporary misery. Chat says, kill the buyer. No, wait, kill the beer? Someone types B-A-E-R. Luna disappears. Sutomate nande. How did we get here? I said bear, not beer. 50 years watching that monster in place while Luna must cook with a smile on her face. My father has spoken, the prophecy is clear. Be better than the statue or bow to the bear. Kill the bear, before the bear prevails. Bake the dream, run the stream, This is not violence. This is art criticism. This is civic endurance. This is long-term channel vision. Yeah, bye. The bear is still there. Yeah, bye. The chat cannot spell. If Luna is not legendary, if the bakery fails, then the bear wins history. The bear prevails. Bear Chat is broken. Luna declares. Kill the bear before the bear prevails. Bake the dream, run the stream. Do not let the bear prevail. Papa was right. I have to be very good at this. Because somewhere in Tokyo, that horrible bear is waiting. Bear prevails.
Why do I have to like say such garbage music? But I love them, I mean. I really love this garbage music. I don't know why, I mean. Electronic Vocaloids, I mean, Jesus. What is usually considered trash by the majority of people, I like them a lot. I think I'm a desperate human being, I mean, a really desperate human case, I mean. I will pick them, I will decide them, I mean, I will decide them, so. Regarding the icon, right, yes, so the icons I will decide them, I will decide the JSON, I will do the placement. So I think we need to decide the layout, mostly. The layout of the collection. The layout of the connection and so let me tell you this. So for the layout I was thinking something like the current inventory that has two views. Well, we already decided that the collection has tabs on top, right? So now we're working on the empty tab and we can make all the other empty tab for all the other things, right? Because even if they're not ready yet, I mean, there should be the tab on top. And at the moment, you could use the same icons that we use for the talent tree. Okay, we will eventually make separate icons for that. But for the moment, I think you can probably basically copy the same structure there. We are Asmon followers. We like trash. We like trash. Very good. I agree. Because I also love Asmon, so I agree. We are good with trash, right? We are very good with trash. Perfect. So, but apart from that, there should be the same two double structure there is in the inventory. So the icon view and the list view. So on the icon view, if you tap to the icon, I mean, it opens the panels, right? That gives you the info of the object. And basically in icon view, you tap on the icon of the collection and it should show the info and the price and the button to buy it. Okay, and to buy it. Mind that, since you're building the collection interface, please also mind that, for instance, for a collection that are not discovered yet, I mean, at the moment the collection is only one item and that item is in the beginning, okay? But there will also be in the future collections or better items that it will be showing the collection like as a question mark, you know? Because you have to unlock the condition or whatever. So I mean, you have to write somewhere into the slice that everything regarding the layout or whatever for the how can I say, the mysterious collection items that, I mean, you don't know the requisite unlock and stuff like that will be decided later. So at the moment we're just deciding how the items that you have already unlocked, they show it in the interface. So write somewhere into the slice that this is the ferret, okay? And also, so back on the decision. So you have the icon view. You tap the icons. So in the and then on the side you have the panel with the information. You can unlock it. Instead, on the list view, it should show a miniature icon, then the title, and then the price, and then the unlock button. I mean, very simple. Very simple. I mean, because I was thinking would be nice also if we show the genre of all the other things, but I think it will be, I mean, you will then have to horizontally scroll, or maybe we can just think on the vertical list instead. No, you have all the information. You have all the information displayed, okay, in just one line. There, like in the object room, but in this case, we have the I want to put the buy button. The buy button should be probably on the first column, or not on the first column, but should probably be the icon, the name, then the price, then buy, and then after that all the other info. Cause I mean, I think that someone would want to unlock the thing should be able to do it sooner, and it shouldn't have to scroll everything, you know what I mean? So there should probably be these sort of things. And obviously after you buy it, I mean, the button goes away and there's just we can purchase it or something like this, or you know, something like that. So this is how I think the menu should be. And regarding the applause placeholder, placeholder, I agree. Which should give 3 applause per song. Actually, 3 applause per song is very few. I think every time you purchase a song, they should give you the full medal. Because I mean, songs are you don't get so many songs, and when you finish it, you can't use that things anymore. So when you buy one, it gives you the full applause meter for full. Okay, that's my final decision. I recorded into the document. Okay, so with this, I think we have already all the info that we have. So you can record this all the info we have decided. And I mean, I will then make the sprites and the sidecar. So when I will tell the next agent, view the slice is yes, all the information. Can you also write in the slice where to find all the information we have decided together today, so that when I finished cleaning the sprites and the icons, I can tell the agents to make everything. But we haven't decided the names for the sprite, right? So in the slice, just tell the agent that he should ask me which are the name of the 2 objects that I want to place, because there is a collection object in the room and there is a collection object in the music room. One collection object in the oven room and one collection object in the music room, and then there is the icon for the menu, right? These are the 3 assets missing, right? So just write all the info just be sure that the agent is able to find all the info we had decided today into the slice. And the first thing he should ask me before implementing the slice is please tell me which is the collection object for the oven room, which is the collection object for the music room, and which is the icon. So I can give this information to the agent, and then it should have everything to build the slice, right? And if you think there's something else missing, let me know. Otherwise, I mean, I think you can just write everything into the slice ledger or whatever it is, and I can go make the missing icons and sprites. Okay, do I have Discord? Yes, I do have Discord, Chibi. I do have Discord, but so let me tell you that, a pair of things. So the Discord is for only, I have two Discords. And one Discord is for channel members only. And the reason why I don't have an open Discord is because open Discord, you put the link somewhere and you get spammed by bot and a lot of other stuff, and I don't have a moderator yet. Was we are very small. There are probably 15, 20 people in the paid channel membership. So that server is private and it is for channel members only. And then I have another Discord server which is for the students of my AI online course. And that's and to enter that, you should become a member of my AI online music school. Basically, it's free. But that's for AI student. So basically, the Discord for channel member is behind the paywall, and so you need to buy a subscription here. And you get the green name and you get access to Discord. Otherwise, you take the course, but that means you should study AI and become there. But I can give you my Discord address, so you can message me directly. But to join the Discord, they are for small communities. Because as I told you, I want to have an open Discord, but I don't have a moderator and I can't afford one. And if I put an open Discord, it would be the fucking chaos. We will have bots, people messaging at night, and things happening at night, and I don't have a moderator, so I don't know how to deal with these things. So, cause I'm a very small YouTuber and I don't have the resources yet to get a moderator. So I can't afford another Discord. So both of them, they are closed on invitation. But I can give you my Discord name. So if you want, you can add me there. I know that it's a little bit hard to message someone directly, while instead if you're on a Discord, it's way easier. But so you have three choices basically. Or you get a membership and you get access to that one, or you become a student, or you add me in Discord directly and you message me at this username here that I pinned. Now I will pin in the chat. Is this one? You Luna, you TT. And it's fine. Either of it is fine. You choose which one you prefer. And then my option would be become a channel member. Obviously, that would be my favorite option. That would be my best pick. But that obviously would be my best pick. But I leave that to you, right? I leave that to you. Okay, so let's start working on these things here. So which item is the best here? Oh, Master Folio with the book is nice, right? I think I like the book with the Master Folio. Oh, the catalog card. What suggestions here? Yeah, the suggestions here. He suggested the wafer. The orbital ab. Oh, interesting. He suggested the orbital ab. Very interesting. Why the orbital ab? Why the orbital ab? If you need any help with that, you mean with moderation? Oh, thank you very much. Let me check your friend request. So I will accept right now. So friends, ending. Accept. Hello, let me wave you. Here we are. Wave it and accept it. So yeah. So he's suggesting this. He's suggesting the orbital thing. That's nice. The orbital app. I think we'll go with the orbital app. Can be nice, right? I do not understand why he didn't make the fucking icons on a fucking. Wait. white background. Oh, he did make it on a white background. Perfect. So we can download this. Yeah, this is very cool for an icon. I think I want this. That's nice. Showing theme, they're very good. So we bring this to Photoshop, right? We bring this to Photoshop and we work it, right? Oops. We can close this and we open this with Photoshop, right? Oh, it's already a transparent. Oh, very nice. And I'm like, oh, we already made the icon. Is this the right side? Is this the right side? Gorando, yes, you can add me. Obviously you can. Why you shouldn't, Gorando? I mean, do you think that was referatory to the GP? No, obviously you can. I mean, that's perfectly fine, obviously. Absolutely, I mean, you can. You can absolutely do, yes. Oh, okay, so that's good. That's good. Let's use this one. It's already of the right side. Very good. So I just need to copy this into file using the window. That's already the right side. Very good. And the icon is very cool. So we copy this into codecs, repository, assets, game sprites, icons. Then we call this the collection icon, right? We duplicate this. And collection icon. Yeah, we short the names. That's touch icon, collection icon. Perfect. So one thing is setted. After you add me random and let me know so I accept, okay? Or with moderation, Chibi, I mean, there are two things that yes, I mean, honestly, one thing is this. Yes, obviously, I mean, you are new and I don't know you well enough, so obviously, so, but it's not just about trust. I mean, cause I don't know you because you are new. It's about cause I don't feel I don't think I will ever ask a person I don't met such a task. Cause it's quite a task, you know. I mean, it's a commitment. I mean, you know what I mean? Maybe I'm the best intention, but it's still a commitment, right? It's basically you're saying I'm going to marry your Discord. And I will guard it and I will protect it. I mean, which is quite a commitment, you know. It is quite a commitment. So I don't think I will feel at ease. I mean, asking something like that at someone I don't know. So I mean, it's not about just trust. It's more about I feel that it's still a heavy commitment, and I don't feel I will ever feel comfortable in asking someone I just met, hey, why don't you marry my Discord? I mean, do you know that fucking creepy girlfriends type? I mean, that you go on a date and on a first date and then they start talking about marriage? I mean, that would be exactly the same thing. Oh, you were so nice with me. Why don't you fucking take care of my fucking Discord? I mean, no, seriously, no. I mean, you know what I mean? It's like the creepy fucking overly attached girlfriend that stereotype. I mean, oh well, you know, I mean, why don't you marry my Discord? I mean, cause you look very nice. I mean, no, I don't think I would ever be able to do something like that. And I mean, I really appreciate the offer. So, I mean, why don't you know each other better? I mean, and then, yeah, well, I mean, but that's that. I mean, don't get me wrong. That's how you feel. So because you felt I want to help, right? So I mean, so for you it's normal. But I mean, for me, no. Oh, because you don't know this of me, right? So because you're from the States, right? You told me you're from America, and I am not. I was born in Italy, but when I was 2, or actually we were 2, because I have a twin sister. When we were 2, we moved to Japan, and I was raised since there in Japan and daddy in Japan. Even now. And I mean we have a very different approach that is not absolutely the Western one. And we will never ever ask such a commitment from a person who ever we just met. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's cultural, but I will never forgive myself stuff like that. Cause that would be even considered unpolite. I mean, I'm pretty sure I would be fucking scolded. Seriously, would be considered extremely unpolite here. So, I mean, I simply can't. I mean, it's not in my vocabulary. So, but I mean, we can use this to know each other better. I mean, you have my Discord. Why don't you text me? I mean, we text each other, we chat of whatever. I mean, and so I got your friendship. Go random. I go random. Okay, you can text me too, right? Wave to you too. Boom boom. Boom boom. Okay. And so we fixed the icon. So what's next? We need to pick two objects and we need to put into the sprite area and then we have the collection in. Oh, we're good. So let's do this. So we have two objects that I really like it. So but let's decide which chat. So I think, well, since the icon is this one, this has to be the object, right? Because we picked the item. And so this has to be the object, right, that we need to put into the room because that matches the icon, I guess. We decided the object. I mean, I really loved this one too. That was very nice too. But we just picked this fucking thing, right? I mean, as an icon. So I think we stuck with this. Hey, James, welcome, Jason, Jameson, welcome. I remember the other day I called you Jason and then you say who the fuck is Jason and yes that was gold and I mean I still remember that. Welcome James, yes, welcome James, yes. Okay, so we use this I think because we already have the icon, right? So I think probably this is the candidate for the object that needs to go into the room. I didn't need right me now. I mean, in the future, if you need my help, I will feel it. Yeah, exactly. I will feel weird for you as well. Okay, sure. Absolutely. Yes, Chibi. Yes. Let's chat a lot, Chibi. Sure. Let's become more friends. I mean, here in the stream, here in Discord. I mean, cause I mean, I want to be honest with you, cause I don't like to lie to people. I mean, I really need a moderator so I can finally open the gates. I mean, open the gates, open the gates, something like that. I mean, but yeah, I mean, I really need a moderator. So, and yeah, so I mean, yeah. Like the girls that they want to find a rich man to marry, so they are settled for life. So look at my face. I mean, look at me seriously. I mean, Discord moderator. I mean, oh yes, please. I mean, give me one. I mean, you have my whole attention. I mean, cause I definitely need one. I absolutely need one for. I'm in that desperate need for a Discord moderation, so yeah, let's be friends. Why not? So, okay, regarding the MP3 player, I mean, I really love this design here. Because it does, it does the things and there's a bit of headphone here that you can pick. I mean, I think the others are way too big, right? I mean, this is too big for a fucking collection thingy there. But it's not, I mean, we could probably use this for the MP3 player. I mean, oh, this is also very fucking cute. I mean, they probably could use this for the collection. This could be for the MP3 player. I mean, this is fucking insane. But I think this is probably for the MP3 player, right? I mean, what do we use for the collection? I mean, for the collection itself. I mean, that's not bad. I mean, that's also very fucking cool. I mean. I think we can keep this, right? One of these two it has to be, right? I mean, not me, I connect your nickname to the whiskey brand. Razorbo, not me, I connect your name to the whiskey brand. I mean, this is very cool and fit the music room very well. that source is very cool and fit the music room very well. So we probably, probably. I mean, I want to remove the buttons for this from this one. The number 5. Can you remove all the play buttons from number 5? I mean, so that there is only just the buttons, the play forward, the fast forward, all these things there, just remove them. And give me that version, thanks. So I really like this. So we can work, in the meanwhile, we can work on one while it's remaking this. So we can work on the other one. And it makes the other one, and then we're ready. We can implement the slice finally. I've been working on this since 6 in the morning, because I woke up at 3. From 3 to 6, I edited the video, the 6th lesson for the AI online course. And then from 6 till I took a 30-minute break. I had breakfast. And then from 6, just before going to stream, I worked on this. And then I worked on this during the whole stream. So I guess if I can finally implement everything into the game, I mean, we are good, right? So we are very good. We are very, very good. Yeah, I think I can open the music room. I mean, it's the same. I don't. This is the same width of the. It's the same width of the normal room. So I mean, it doesn't necessarily need to be the own room. I just need to check the dimension. It's probably going to be 20%, right? I think probably maybe 20%. Let me see, 20%. Yeah, something like that, right? Yeah. We have it somewhere around this. Yeah, sure. Good. Good. So we make a new file. Hey, Chibi! Wow, thank you very much. That was lovely, Chibi. That was lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you. That was beautiful. I mean, that was lovely. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that, Chibi. I really that was super lovely. I mean, thank you very much. Thank you. Wow, nice. Thank you very much. Yes. Take the art, take the like. I mean, thank you very much. Was beautiful. Very nice, very kind from you. And you know what? I will go to Dima and I will tell Chibi donated and you haven't donated yet. So now I have a way to blackmail Dima. Perfect, thank you very much. Cause now I can officially blackmail Dima. I mean, until I mean, your friend Chibi, he came, he donated, but you didn't give me 1 ruby. I mean, what do they have in Russia? The rubia? How are they called them? I mean, the blackmail. Yes, I'm going to blackmail Dima. Yeah. I mean, I'm kidding. I'm not going to blackmail him. I mean, I will poke him. I mean, just kindly poke him. I mean, I'd say, is he your friend? I mean, he donated. I mean, I will drop that very cash. Just kidding. I mean, just kidding. I'm not going to blackmail him. Obviously not. Yeah. Obviously not, yeah. But that was very kind from you. I really appreciate that. Yes. Let me say this. So we are here. Yeah, I mean, I know him from the stream. I mean, I know he's from the stream. He games almost every day. He's very nice. I don't know what defines in me, but he really got in some sort of love with me. I know for sure that he loves a lot my sister, the music my sister does, because he loves a lot classical music and he played piano too, or an instrument, I don't remember exactly. And since my sister, plays piano very well, sometimes she comes on the streams and we make music together. I know that Dima loves a lot my sister music, but yeah, he games, he's always very kind, very gentle. He games almost every day. He's very, very, very nice. He has been very, very nice with me. Yes. Very polite too also. Yes. So, but yeah, that's all my interaction I had with him. It's not that I know him outside the street. Yes. I just chatted with him every time he comes here. So I don't have, for instance, his Discord or whatever. He never even asked. So for that. So so then maybe can I save this? Maybe yes. Let's save this, and this is Oven Collection. Should go here into the game sprites, objects, Oven Collection. Okay, very good. Then we call this Oven Collection. And then let me see if it has finished the changes on this. So, because if it has finished, we can... Oh, it's done. Very good. Now we can implement this too directly. We implement this too directly, and then we go into the sprite editor. We go into the sprite editor, and we create the sidecars, the animation, and then we implement the whole thing and add good, right? Very good. So, what, so, open file, open here. Open file, sure. Remove the background here. Remove the background. Is a right and loadable folder. Yes. Exactly that. Yeah, it's very nice. You seem to have some sort of resentment for all the people that moved away after I quit gaming, or better, I know that I really quit gaming because I'm making mine, but I quit covering other people games and we went full berserk with the light bakery things. You really seems to have some sort of resentment. Honestly, I don't have such much resentment. I was a little bit disappointed, but not with them, with myself, because I fooled myself into thinking that people were here for me, rather than for the game, and that was more or less a disappointment that I felt for myself, because I was thinking that I was becoming too much entitled, or superb. That to think that people were here actually, a lot of people were here actually for me, and that was a nice humility lesson. I actually think I'm thankful for that more than resented, because I am a little bit more grounded now. Yeah, but you know what that's it. I want to be honest with you. I watch a lot of content because I care of the information they gave me. For instance, I want to tell you something. I study a lot of AI channel because I want to know the latest technique, okay? And some of these things, they are fucking entitled guys. Very annoyed that they play super cool and they think to know everything about fucking AI. That they are fucking pain to watch. Seriously? And I just watch them just to grab that 2% of information that I don't know, because they regurgitate the same things fucking all over and over again, the majority of them. And I don't give a shit, honestly, you know what I mean? So I think that it's perfectly fine if someone comes here, especially when I was doing games, and they don't give a shit about me and they just want the information. It's perfectly fine. Because I mean, look at me. I mean, fucking AI generated voice. I mean, very annoying to listen with a lot of based opinions. I mean, yeah. Why should everyone like me? I mean, I don't think that should be the case, right? So I think it's perfectly normal that that some people came for the games, then some for the cakes, right? Some for the cake. I mean, and I think it's normal. I mean, you know what I mean? And it's also very good for me too, cause I mean I now have I'm a little bit more, not want to say realistic on this, but yeah, well I know that you don't find it annoying because you stay here, but I mean you have to read some of the comments I receive sometimes. Yeah, you know that because we discussed of this already, right? But I mean, the point is that I mean, I think it's relatively okay. I mean, right? I mean, not everyone has to like me. I mean, I think the good thing is that what I do here now is way more nitpicky, way more nitpicky that the people that stays. I mean, they are probably going to stay because they like more. Because I mean, for instance, I mean, I think you still get a lot of knowledge on how to use AI for developing stuff. Because I mean, I think I've become quite knowledgeable in the process. So I mean, I think I still offer value for people looking this kind of information. But I mean, I think people that came here, they came here more randomly. I mean, like more for being suggested from because they watch other VTubers rather than to coming here to study AI, you know what I mean? So probably if they stay because they like it somehow. Especially considering, because I mean, not all the stream is always super funny. I mean, because sometimes you know I am coding, I am developing. I mean, yes, of course. I mean, I listen to everyone's idea and we implement them and then etc. But yeah, probably now it's way easier to say that the people that stays here they stay for me, I guess, rather than for the for the content. But yeah, I'm not really much disappointed from the. For this is big, right? This is big, but that's good. I mean, well, yeah, probably we can have this big thing. Maybe I'm a little bit small, right? Probably 15%. Yeah, 15% seems good. Right? I mean, but yeah, that's probably 15%. So right, that yeah. At the end of the day, it's just a collection. It could steal space from other stuff that you can say, but you stay for the personality. Thank you very much. The correct answer is I stayed for the cake. You know, we even have a song. I mean, we even have a song. You should, but you are an heretic, so I guess you can say difference, you know. But yeah, you can say this a little bit different. But you know that the correct answer is I stayed for the cake. I mean, I think we even have a song, right? I mean, should be around here probably. I stayed for the cake. Here it is. No, right? I stayed for the cake, right?
Michael Zachary dropped in clean, typed one line and broke the stream. Coil Kiki Nikita Yote. Wait, what do you mean? I was cooking up a guide again. Stats and charts in perfect rows. Then you walked into my bakery with a line that made the oven glow. I jumped on not to watch your guide, but here your voice appeared on screen. Luna froze with the whisk mid-air like a romance route in scene. Giotto the heart went doggy, chat went loud, and I went red. For 1 sweet second I was chosen, then you typed the safety net. But greatly appreciate your guide too, of course. You hate rode me in reverse. You made my bakery burst. You said my voice was the reason. Then patched the line before it hurt. You hate rode me in reverse. My blush guide back first. Hey bro, no, 逆じゃないの Voice first, guide to Now what do I do? Hey bro, no, 心が迷子 Cake in the chat and panic in the room. Then another gremlin joined the crime. I came for the guy but stayed for the cake. Now the chat is throwing frosting bombs and my composure starts to break. I am professional mostly. I have diagrams to explain. But if you compliment my voice like that, my script falls off the train. Michael Zachary, please be careful. Words can activate.
Oh, what have I done? What have I done? I stopped the song on the I was trying to say and I stopped it.
Trap. You can't open Luna's oven, then immediately close the app. Guide appreciated. Voice appreciated. Hate appreciated. Wait, no, delete that. You hate bro me in reverse. You made my bakery first. You said my voice was the reason. Then touch the line before it hurt. You hate bro me in reverse. My push got missed by one small verse. I was cake mode fully loaded. Then you put the guide back first. For a second I felt seen, not the building, not the screen. ただ声だけ聞きたい That is dangerous cuisine. Then you smiled and ran away with a polite little escape. Of course you like the guide as well. Sure, okay. You hate bro me in reverse. You turn my chat into dessert. Voice and guide and cake together. Now the whole stream is cursed. You hate bro me in reverse, but maybe that is not the worst. Come for the guide or come for the cake. Just don't make Luna blush first. Michael Zachary. Next time, choose your words. Or at least commit to the recipe. ごちそうさま.
Okay, we just need to bring this into the editor. And we can then build the things, right? So let's do this. So we refresh the things, new things there, and we have music collection. Let's start with this. This should go into the music floor. This needs to go into the music floor. And where do we put this? Fixed placement, sure. Where does this things goes? Where does this things goes? I mean, probably. I mean, more or less, where do we put this thing, right? I mean, where do we put these things? I mean, the room is empty at the moment, so, I mean, I guess any place is good, right? I mean, any place is good, right? Probably. So we use this for now, and you probably, yeah, probably here, right? I mean, up, right? Yeah, need a small collection editor, right? Something like this, maybe, yeah, probably. Okay. Save this. And then we need the oven collection. That needs to go into the oven room. And where do we place this? I mean, could probably be placed at similar position, I guess. But maybe we should have all the menus relatively close together, right on top, maybe. Maybe, right? Maybe, I don't know. I mean, probably. Or maybe this way, right? Something like this. So we keep the menus relatively close, right? I mean, probably. Yeah, I mean, so the menus are here. all the top menus are here, you have other interface, and then there is still room for other stuff, right? That probably could work, I guess, could work. Could work, we will nudge this a bit. Like something like that, and nothing major. And then we pick Luna here. We pick Luna here, and Luna should probably be, here probably, right? I mean, yeah, that's it. And this is 511. This is 511. We temporarily save this. Then it's 511 for the second row. Fixed placement 511. And then it's a little bit of nudge here too. And then with Luna here. Again, something like that. Right and upright. Perfect, we save this. Oh, okay. Bye. See you, CB. See you, CB. Bye, CB. Thank you very much for staying, okay? Thank you very much for staying, okay? Bye. Okay. Thank you very much for the donation and everything. See you around and in Discord too, okay? Let's chat later, okay? Thank you very much for everything. So that's done, and then we have the motion here to the side. This is saved, right? When we save the side, can just save it. And then for the object motion, we have two of them, which is the collection, right? And very good. And we save this. Save to game, and then the music collection. The collection. Perfect. We save this to the game. Yeah, she's not trying to be stealthy, he's chilling. Products defending itself. Yeah. No worry, don't worry. And also we love lurkers, so by the way, I am just finished the sprites and the icon, so maybe we can set everything here, so when I say build the slice, I have everything ready. So the sprite is called the oven collection, then we have music collection, and then we have the icon, which is, I think is called the collection. And you can find them directly into the asset. And one more thing also, regarding these items, I mean, they should appear when you pick your first profession ever. So in this specific case, so let me explain differently. Let me explain difference because there is a difference. So at the moment into the game prototype, we only have the music. Okay, so obviously both the collection and the music collection object, they appear at the same time. Okay, because we only have the music tree unlocked, but actually, the for instance, if it wasn't music, but it would have been, for instance, books, then what would be appeared would have been the book object. You know what I mean? Cause the collection object into the oven room is the general one. But instead the music is specific to music. So when we code this, basically the first time you put your first talent ever, you unlock the floor of that respective item with the facility, and also the object, the relevant generator. No, for instance, because for the cakes we have oven shelves, and for instance, for the music we have spreadsheet, right? So for instance, you unlock the music. The point you put your first point in music, you unlock the floor. You unlock the music station. You unlock the music sheet because the sheet is needed to generate notes. And you unlock the music collection. Okay, so this is all a single, triple, or quadruple unlock if you include the floor. That should all goes when you unlock, when you put the first pointing talent in music. But if it would have been a different tree, you know what, you would have unlocked the respective objects for a different tree. So what you need to write into the slice is that the collection object and the collection menu, the general one, they unlock as soon as you take your first talent into a profession, okay, for your first time. Okay, but then regarding the music collection object, well, that unlocks when you take the point in music. So I hope you understand the difference. So be sure to specify this also into the slice, so when it's coded in the correct way. And then, now that you have the sprites and also the specification, before you edit the sprite, let me know if there's something is not unclear or need better clarification. And so otherwise I think you can edit it. And then I can just build it later in a different chat. Just to say, respect because you always are here supporting them, it doesn't matter. You bastard. That was the translation, was you bastard. What is the real one? Thank you, Radzor. I like that this becomes translated by you bastard. But is thank you, Radzor, the original? I mean, why is this fucking translation so wrong? I mean, thank you, Radzor becomes you bastard? I mean, oh, cause it reads mind? Oh, I understand, this thing reads mind. Oh, I see. Thank you, Radzor, you bastard. Okay, that thing reads mind. It's not an auto-translator. Okay, makes sense, right? I mean, oh, you know, Radzor, thank you. Yeah, you bastard. Yeah, perfect. Right? Yes, it's a mind reader. Oh, you see the oven? The oven has some insane properties. Yeah, you see that? That's very nice. I mean, I can read people's mind now. I mean, I didn't know that this function of YouTube. I mean, it's powered by the Oli oven. I mean, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I can read mine. Well, Radzor, you know, every time I will say thank you. I mean, I would worry if I were you. I mean, hey, Radzor, thank you very much, you bastard. I mean, I think a new meme has just been born. I mean, today. A new meme has been created today. Thank you, bastard. I mean, yeah, that's beautiful, right? We create a new meme today. New lore for the channel. The channel has got a new lore today. A lot of new lore. The channel has gotten a lot of new lore. Look at that. New lore for the channel. New lore for the channel. New lore for the channel. Right? Perfect. There's nothing better than have new lore in the channel, I mean. So I think we have time to implement everything, right? Do we? Because as soon as this thing finishes for the slice, I can ask Chappy to implement it. And how long will it take? Because I want to show you the slice. I mean, we worked basically 3 hours on this thing. I mean, 3 fucking hours on this. 5 if you consider I was working for this from 6.5. Actually 5 hours and a half, I mean. So, but yeah, I mean, I know I really like to see the game growing a little bit slowly by slowly every day. I mean, it fills me with joy. It's like you know, it's like you have a small kid, and you're raising it, him or her, and you have this small, yeah, your daughter, your son, whatever, and you're raising it day by day. I mean, do you remember at the very beginning how this thing was shallow and there was absolutely nothing inside it? It was very, very shallow. There wasn't anything inside it. And people. Yeah, you came here to see early games and I didn't say, yeah, because I mean, well, actually, it's true. This is early game development because you unlock the collection early game, I mean, so it's actually true. The point is that, I mean, we spent so much time coding that it didn't show anything, actually, but yeah, I mean, but I really like the fact that it's slowly starting becoming a little bit more alive. And you can't imagine yesterday how much I had to discuss with Chappie to improve a certain behavior with object and such. I mean, I was getting mad, I mean, yesterday. Yesterday, I was getting really mad with Chappie. Seriously mad, I mean. Seriously mad with Chappie, but yeah, I mean, I really like it. I mean, it's getting better and better and better and better. Day by day, slowly. So, and that's very nice. I mean, that's very nice. I mean, I also, I watched this and then I think, well, I can actually make it, maybe. And it's very nice, cause, you have this idea, and then it slowly builds up, and it becomes reality. I mean, but there's still so much to do. There is still so much to do, and you can't even imagine. I'm doing a lot of work behind the scene to find a way to make good good romance scene. So because there is snowball, it snowballs in a certain way, exactly, because the more you have the structure, then the more it then later starts snowballing, right? Well, I mean, there are still a lot of unique things we haven't implemented. For instance, one thing that I did today that was new and I didn't have it before was implementing these things here. What it is, let me show it to you. So these things here, so we already had the animation editor, right? That create the animations, right? We had the sprite editors, the one we use to position object. We have the room composition. We have the talent tree editor. So I mean, this is all old stuff. With Claude recently I made the radial menu which we are now using for certain object. But today I had to implement the collection editor. So which is the editor that lets me handle the collection when the collection gets unlocked and what items are unlocked by the collection, and also the event manager. So I mean, it's not that I'm only building the game, I mean I'm also building the Stargate portal, right? I mean, yeah. So I mean, it's so interesting. I mean, making all these things together, and making them, building them one by one. I mean, it's interesting. It's like if I'm building my Unreal Engine. You know what I mean, for this game. Cause the engine behind it, it's all mine. I mean, and all these tools that let me edit the events, and I mean, I'm building them one by one as I am making the game. Okay, this is done. Very good. So we can now make these things, right? Very good. So very good. So let's make it. So you see, look at all the stuff I have been working since this morning. I mean, all this code and stuff. I mean, seriously. Implement slice b3. Thanks. Here we are. That's the moment. The Luna engine, exactly. The Luna engine. I mean, this is seriously really my engine. I mean, I built it completely from scratch. I mean, and you know what? I think I want to reuse that part of it for for other stuff. And I mean, maybe I can even open source the engine, you know, so other people can make something out of it. Would be very nice, right? There are no remaining open decisions. So look at this. You see this phrase here, there are no remaining open decisions. So what I did this morning, since this morning, was working on all the stuff that I need to do for this. And this was all the stuff that were missing. Look at this list here. You see this long list here? All this long list, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 with all these single points. I mean, I had to take care to each of them. So to implement just the collection that you're seeing here, I mean, so. But this will also be used also for future collection. So I mean, when we will have the illustration collection and other things, I mean, most of the work, I mean, not the back end work is done. I mean, I still have to create the old collection items, etc. But I mean, I've been doing a lot of these behind the scene works, and it's 16, yes, and 16. I mean, the point is there's not just 16. I mean, each of them had multiple points, you know. So it's not that just one 6 is, for instance, inside 4. I mean, there are 4 points. I mean, inside the 6 there are, I mean, 7, 8 points. I mean, inside 5. I mean, geez, look at this. I mean, boom, boom, boom. These were all decision things that need to be settled, assets. I mean, and backend stuff and whatever. I mean, it was quite daunting. I mean. That, yeah, to the point in which when I saw that, I thought, well, you know, maybe 2 days. I mean, maybe these things needs today to get implemented, but it seems like we managed to bring it down into a reasonable point, right? And yeah. So when this will be ready, I mean, we should be able to see these things, right? Right, yeah? Yeah, so very good. And yeah, and the music room is coming up very nice. I mean, the oven room is very classical, you know, wooden style, antique. Because I mean, the oven is very old, right? So I mean, I wanted the oven room to be a little bit ancient, you know, not super, but I mean, a little bit classic, you know, because I mean, the oven is very old. I mean, and so it needed some sort of a little bit of classic style, very elegant, and but the music instead then goes into the futuristic style. I mean, it's coming. The mimic chest is your favorite? Yeah, the mimic chest, right? It's not exactly a mimic. It's an hybrid, but yeah. It's sort of stuff, right? Yeah. And you see that there is also in the ledger, yeah, there are illustration of Noon. I mean, if you check the details, I mean, you probably don't see this very much, but let me see if I can find the original heart. The big heart, the one. Oh, maybe I can find it on Bridge easily. Yeah, probably. Maybe it was into the art made yesterday. Let me see. Probably 13. Let me see. Let me find it. Let me see. Oh, yeah. So, you see this? I mean, if you see it closely, I mean, there are illustrations into it. There are 2 illustrations inside it. So I mean, I'm really trying to also, I mean, take care of the small details and all this stuff. I mean, even if you want to know this, because it's very small here on screen, you see, it becomes something like that. But yeah. And the guide, I mean, you know, oh right, I just remembered, we need to make the wiki about the wiki entry for the collection. I forget about that. Let me write into the stuff to implement the wiki entry for the collection, right? Yeah, right. Wiki entry for the collection. Yeah. Right. Because we need these things too. We need that things too. So most of the items are quite well designed. Well, thank you. Like I'm trying to do my best, and mind that I mean certain art can still be edited later. You know what I mean? I mean, cause nothing. I mean, nothing is necessarily, how can I say, stuck in time. I mean, cause we can change it, right? I mean, later if we want. I mean, if we don't really like that anymore, so we can always change it in the future and say, well, you know, maybe this thing is different and we want to change it, and we change it later. I mean, and you know what I want to implement, I think soon, is the sound itself. Because then if I start implementing the sound, I mean, I think that what we have here now, even if it's just up to here, I mean, it's already very close to shipping. You know, to the finished thing, and so I mean, it's I think it's good, right? So probably the next things I want to do is I want to build a sound editor, so that goes back with it. I can change the sound or whatever. So it needs to be designed properly. So, and for sound editor, I mean a tool like this one, right? A tool like this one. So it let me select which kind of music I want in certain things. So a backend tool. So we also need I also need to do this. So the sound editor. So yeah. So by the way, how long is Chappy doing here? Yeah, Chappy is still working on it. Very good, very good. Oh my goodness, my sister, she has sent me 16 message. 16 message on Discord. Let me see, she's awake now? Oh, Jesus. Jesus, you should have seen. Jesus. 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 Oh, wow. She has a situation. Wow. As always, nothing new under the sun, but yeah. As after I finish this, I think I have a sister to take care of. Okay, good or bad. I mean, I don't know. And later I have an appointment with the chiropractic. I mean, cause I have been suffering. I mean, I don't know if it's carpal tunnel sort of things, but probably I overworked it. Yeah, no. Still, yeah. Still I had an issue with something. Yes. One of her friend. She tends to panic a lot. I mean, when something happens, I mean, she tends to overly panic, and she needs to talk, basically. She really needs to talk. So, but anyway, so I mean, I am this sort of. I think it's too much. I spend too much time on the computer and but streaming and working and basically got a pain on my right arm for using the mouse too much. And I've tried a lot of things. It started, I think, almost 1 month and a half ago. Then been trying to do massages and other things, exercising, stretches, but doesn't want to go away. And so I mean I will try to go to the chiropractic. I don't know if that will help. Otherwise, I mean I probably have to see. I mean eventually another doctor. But I'm trying to fix it, but I couldn't at the back end. So we will see. We will see, we will see. So, okay, this is still, Jesus, this thing is still working. I mean, I guess we have to wait. Well, I don't want to leave before this slice is implemented, because I want to check it on stream. And, but then, I mean, I know my sister is still waiting, but I mean, I told her that, I told her that I will be back to, but as fast as I can, as soon as I finish this. Uh, 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 Jesus, my sister is keeping writing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, she really needs to vent out. Yeah, I know, but I mean, the damage is done already. Oh, but there is no my face here. Since when I disappeared? I think I disappeared ages ago. You should have told me that I was invisible. Yeah, but by the way, yes, right? I mean, yeah, the damage is done already, I mean. I know I should take care of myself, but it came unexpected, I mean. So, cause if I knew in advance, I would have taken care, obviously, but I wouldn't have expected these things to happen, right? Like getting fatter overnight, like what happened like this. You see, one day I'm slim and the other day I'm fat and chibi and chubby. I mean, if I only had a clue of what was about to happen to me, right? I mean, I could have taken action, maybe. Yeah, but anyway, yeah. Oh, okay. Is green? Oh, is this thing working? Wow, can we try this? Do we need a server restart? Do we need a server restart for this? Oh, whoa. Very nice. Let me see this. Let me check this. So, let me see the one-time applause. It all does. Okay. Okay, Steve is now trying to check the interaction on mobile phone. I guess it's fine for now. So, let's see if I need oh, okay. See, is checking the browser now. Let me see if I need a server restart or if I can do it without server restart. Oh, but that's not it. That's not the other one I need. I need this. Let's start a new file, right? Let's start a new game. And that is why mathematics. Oh, but I had the audio turned it on, but it turned it off for now. And yes, go. That's it. We also need some tutorial voices for shopping. Oh, look at this. The stuff happens when you complete fulfill story. Talent point. Talent tree. Oh, I see an error here. You see that the music tree? It starts before I pick the talent point. Oh, okay, this needs to be fixed. This absolutely needs to be fixed. And these things here? Okay, very nice. So we got the collection. And we got these things. And if I tap it, okay, very nice. And then I have the tables view, very good, with buy, perfect. Gallery and table view, very good. And I can also open that things, yeah, very good. Good, so I only see one error that has nothing to do with this slice. This slice seems to work very well, but there is an error that I've noticed just now. I have noticed it just now, this error, but I don't know if it was introduced by this slice or not, so. Let me see. So I have checked your slice, and there, while you were checking it, when you were doing the browser, your own browser collection, and I've noticed an error that I don't know if it was added by this version or not. And the point is that the oven room changes from top to stacked, from top to stacked. Before I selected music talent, and the music floor also appear before I put my first point into music. So there's probably the trigger for changing from the stacked room and for showing the music floor is probably wrong for some reason. Because the music floor should appear only after I pick my talent in music. But at the moment it appears just before, when there is the pop-up that says pick your first talent, but that's not the correct behavior because I haven't picked any talent yet. And so why should the floor appear, and why should the room change from the oven room should change from top to stacked? That should happen only after you pick your talent point. So these things needs to be fixed. And the layout should change after you pick the talent point, because it's the first talent point that unlocks the music floor. And all the items in the music floor, and also the music collection as you correctly did. But so I don't understand if this bug was previous than your slice, or if I just and I noticed it now, or if it was introduced by your current slice. Let me steer the conversation so we can check this. Very good, very good. Very good. I told him this. Very good. So he can fix this. Very good. So okay, listen, my sister is keeping sending me messages, so I think I need to go. I need to go to my sister. Okay. So but she's keep writing. Okay, she's keep writing me. So I think I'm going to go to Stella, man. She needs my help, and this thing still needs some debugging. But anyway. Thanks everyone. Okay, thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. じゃあ今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。Sleep well, good day, and see you tomorrow, or get in touch with Discord. And Ransom mo. Thank you, bastard. Bye bye.